Hey, good morning, afternoon, and evening from wherever you're watching from. Welcome to Belinda's Country Living. Well, it is Monday morning, and I'm giving you an update on the bird nest, where the birds were nesting in my mailbox. So, I believe they have gave up. As you can see down here on the ground, some of the nests that I kept taking out of the mailbox. But as you can see, the mailbox is empty. So they gave up, and my Santa mailbox is empty. So they gave up, bless their heart. Oh well, I sure hope they built a nest close by so I could see the nest somewhere. So today I'll be taking the Santa mailbox down. Let me go take you over here. We weed-eated yesterday. And I got some more flowers blooming. Love that purple color. The flowers there. So, yeah, I'm a little sad about the birds, but they'll survive. Take you on around here. And look how beautiful them are. My bush here, not sure what they call that, but it's starting to look like it's getting little blooms on it. I keep saying I'm gonna take that out, but maybe the butterflies will like it. Oh my goodness. Just don't know what to do for these weeds. I am so tired of pulling weeds. Ugh. Look. And I'm telling you, the bees have took over. They're destroying the arch here. Look at that. Don't know what to do for that. My clematis I still haven't done anything with. It needs staked up somehow. Some more weeds. They got a little flower on them, but they're a nuisance. Oh, never-ending work. Them keeps getting bigger and bigger. My last video I took of this, it was all my subscribers were saying them are dianthus, and they are correct. They are. And my sister yesterday gave me a flower, and I put it in the pot yesterday evening. It's got a beautiful bloom on it. This is one of them that came from underneath the pine trees. They come back every year. My rose bush is blooming. And believe it or not, I cut grass 3 days ago. and it needs it again. So that's what I have for you today. I just wanted to give you an update on the bird nest. So they decided to go somewhere else. Don't forget to please like and subscribe and give me the thumbs up. Until the next video, hope you all have a wonderful and blessed day, and please be kind in your words.